Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Tonight we're talking about shop lights, inexpensive LED shop lights. You know, it's winter time, it's dark outside, it's hard to be able to do anything with video with no lighting. So I was at the store the other day and I was looking at some sort of alternatives for expensive lighting. So they had some LED lights for sale and they were really good price, $9.98. And this is what I picked up. It's a Honeywell LED light, collapsible work light with rotating head, no bulbs to replace, cool to the touch, easy positioning light head, low power consumption, 50,000 hour LED life and a 5-year warranty. Puts out 3,000 lumens, Energy Star compliant. And this is what it looks like. And hold on just a second. So this is what the product looks like outside of the box. It's a really nice looking unit for the for 10 bucks. I don't think you can beat it for 10 bucks. It's got a switch on the back that's weather sealed. Of course, it's not supposed to get wet. The light's not supposed to get wet. And it's got a foldable bracket. You can set it at different heights, different positions. And my office is pretty dark for doing video unless I'm shooting in the daylight. So I just wanted to come up with an alternative, something that would get me a little extra light. So this light normally sells for $39.99, yeah, $40. It's on sale. It was on sale this weekend at Sam's Club for 10 bucks. It really puts out a bright light. You can see I got some lighting bouncing off the ceiling back there, and it just really illuminated this room. So this is just a quick video to show you some inexpensive lighting that you might use on and off. You might use it in your garage working on cars, doing things around the house, painting where you need to look up or look around and see the ceiling. I couldn't believe how bright they really light up a room. And there you have it, guys. Please hit like and subscribe. I'll catch you on the next one.